Hey everyone, if you want to use remove.bg on Windows in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to remove image backgrounds quickly using your Windows PC. To use remove.bg on Windows, you only need a web browser and an internet connection. Start by opening any browser on your Windows computer like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Type remove.bg in the search bar and open the official website. Click the Upload button and select the image you want to edit from your Windows files. Once uploaded, remove.bg will automatically remove the background in seconds. Click the Download button to save your image as a PNG file. You can also drag and drop images directly into remove.bg for faster workflow. You can use your images for PowerPoint, Photoshop, Canva, video editing, and e-commerce work. For best performance, use an updated browser and stable internet connection. A common mistake is using outdated browsers or unsupported file formats. If remove.bg is not working on Windows, try clearing cache, switching browsers, or restarting your PC. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use remove.bg on Windows in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.